So I got the celebi under the scope. You can see the dent. More of a crease is still there. Right there on that hollow, right next to the B. Only under really certain light. So I noticed this right here. I wasn't sure if that was the dent or if it was just the hollow, but after a closer inspection under the scope, it appeared to just be the way the hollow looked. So I went ahead and considered that a fix and went on to the cleaning step. I had already cleaned this card, so I'm just going to start off with the polish, Kurt's Card Care Polish. Make sure you get top, bottom, back, and front. And after finishing all the polishing, I did just want to kind of do a little bit of the Kurt's card recovery around the hollow border here, just because it looked a little bit dull, so I wanted to see if we could shine it back up. I'll take one final look around, look at where that damage was, and it looks good to me. I'll consider that finished. Thanks for watching.